Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today we are ngibuyele YouTube la. So ikhona interview enzo neSTC because use Cape Town upromote le show yakhe Ivyson Ntole yenze return ekade yaphela but this year uthe wenze return ufuna ukwenza Ivyson Ntole Cape Town uJozi yabona se-KZN but uzoyenza kuma campus yabo. But I think isho big and I'm happy as a fan ukuthi umjida ubuyile. So wenze interview kwenye radio station yase Cape Town. I think one of ama-commercial radio station yase Cape Town ibizwa ngeHeart FM. So ubehlali phansi enza i-interview noLunga Sigama omunye umuntu oyilegend kulabantu base-radioweni because usebe khona isikhathi eside-ke. So kule interview bambuze i-question ukuthi ithini i-response yakhe kule nto ekade ishiwo uSizwe Dlomo because sakhumbula sakalo nyaka uSizwe Dlomo laphana uka-invite kwishow leka-LTDO podcast. So according to uSizwe Dlomo ufila ngathi uNSTC usephelelwe isikhathi sakhe like akasaboni ukuthi angakhona ukwenza maybe something bigger than asengayenza like ufila ngathi uNSTC isikhathi sakhe like sesiphelile ukuthi achieve ezinye izinto big. I think le level asekuyona yona peak yakhe. So from this according to izinto ezasho uSizwe Dlomo, so I think uNSTC uyaphansi ke. So umjida lona uLunga wambuza uNSTC ukuthi ithini response yakhe. So bengifuna nje ukuthi nje silalele yona because abantu abaningi especially ama-fans neSTC ayibaphathanga kahle into esho uSizwe Dlomo and nami umunye umuntu ongaphathekanga kahle into esho uSizwe Dlomo because uSizwe Dlomo waseDurban uNSTC waseDurban. So i-homeboy yakhe leyana and uSizwe Dlomo i-OG yak-TV, OG yak-hip hop, ishow yakhe le ayenzwa kwa-FM benoScoop, ezinye zezinto ezama-element masibale i-history hip hop yaseMzansi. So I think statement sakhe noma kuthiwa si-relevant but sasi-unnecessary according to mina. But-ke angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu, ngifuna uzwele lento uNSTC abambuze yona. So ngizodlala nje i-audio yakhona la because ingithusile nami ukuthi OG ingakhipha istatement esinje ngoNSTC but ake sizwele ukuthi uphendule wathini noNSTC.
Son, now let's switch gears a little bit, because I mean, like you'll answer this if you want to, but if you don't want to answer it, like that's still fine as well. There's something that's been doing rounds, for a while. There's an OG of, South African culture. He was on a podcast.
The STC, I had very high hopes from STC, and for a while,
What you mean you had?
Nah, I think he's beyond his peak now. This is not like in a dissing way. Window of opportunity.
Yeah.
I feel like,
According to me, this sound like a diss and disrespect. But I guess
it's closed or it's closing for him. That's not to say he's not talented. He's super talented.
I'm like a big fan of STC.
Yeah, so am I. But you see, as you grow older, he's got responsibilities now. He's got a kid. It's not to say he still can't make music and still can't be big.
Yeah.
But the best time to get it is when you're young. That's the best time.
He's still young. STC is still in his 20s.
Okay, well, relatively. Like I said, I don't mean that in a disrespectful way.
Well, LTDO got your back.
Shout out to LTDO.
LTDO got your back.
Shout out to LTDO.
But Sizwe Dlomo, by the way, that's Sizwe Dlomo. He was on the LTDO podcast. Talking about like your ceiling.
I saw it.
Yeah. So when you hear that, what do you think?
I don't know, man. I didn't think too much of it. Like I didn't think.
Because Sizwe is from KZN, first of all.
Yeah. No, he's always been a cool person to me, man. He's always been supportive. He's always been like, championing me and stuff like that. I remember this one time I did a podcast. He came through, we chopped it up.
Yeah.
It was great. So I don't think he meant anything bad by what he said. I don't think he's just trying to stir up drama. It's his opinion. You know what I mean? He's not very close to my team and what we do and that kind of stuff and what's happening in my life or career or whatever. You know what I mean? So anything he says is like, it's an opinion. It's alright. I can accept it.
You can accept that.
It's alright.
Yeah.
It's alright.
And so when he says that, like your window is closed, you don't think your window is closed?
Absolutely not. I wouldn't be here if I thought that.
Yeah.
You know.
I mean, like they wouldn't be here if they thought you would.
Yeah, I wouldn't be here.
Period.
Yeah.
No, man. You never really know how this thing is gonna go. You don't know how much time you have in it. You know what I mean? I'm grateful to say I've been in it 10 years already.
Yeah.
So the fact that I'm still going, I'm still hungry, still ambitious. That just means the possibilities and opportunities are still in this.
10 years in.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's crazy stuff.
It's crazy. Yeah.
I remember first time I had Juice back.
Yeah. Yeah, so iyona ke response anesisi lede ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. So mina I feel ngathi umjida uhandlishe kahle ukuphendula i-question, but I feel somehow like engathi uphoxekile na, because usizo Dlomo akayena mhlawumbe umuntu ohambele emgaqolo olandela hip hop obeke le statement, but umuntu ohlonishwayo when it comes to hip hop. So I think i-statement sasizo Dlomo sayithola indawo lapha kune-STC, maybe somphusha, but I don't think indlela ababhekana ngayo izofana after lokho, because sasingekho isidingo salesa statement sasizo Dlomo according to me, because nje savele saqhamuka la singazi ukuthi uvela phi. Sila kwaya interview enayo lento ekhaya ukuthi no ngifuna ukusho nalokho ngone-STC mhlambe ngimgwalisela ukujida noma ngimphusha, but I think nje sase unnecessary according to me. But une-STC ubuyile wenza i-tour this year, and i-tour yakhe indlela engi-excited ngayo, because the time eyiyeka isiwuphikhi yakhona ngi-understandanga nami, because enye isho enginayo nami ngone-STC indlela abavele bashaya ngayo imakhethi yaseMzansi, because wayesenza ama-tour ko-UKZN kobani lakhe bi-attendwa lento yakhe, and then bavele ba-decide uski be-chase i-international market. I think bekuyiphupho lakhe, but thina as amafana ne-STC sasala siphoxekile, because sabile sakadide ukuthi umjida wenze njani, because wesene-fan base and into yakho be-move, especially le-ama-tour. I think bekuyiyona ngempela into izomenzela imali eningi kakhulu, and besene-market esisolid, but bavele bayiyeka bohamba boba ama-upcoming artist state. But kubuyile umjida uthe uyaphusha uzowenza ama-tour nje eJoburg, ise-Cape Town nase-KZN. So ngihappy ngalowo side lelo. So i-tour I think ngomhla ka-29 March, so ise-Cape Town mhla ka-20 March. Iyona into ayipromotha ngoba ise-Cape Town. Beke ngambona ku-TV laphana ise-BC3 ku-Express. But nje bengifuna ukusharisha le response yakhe, because abantu abaningi ngiyakhumbula after usizo Dlomo eshoyo lanto ku-Twitter kuye kwathi kuba ne-smoke nje esikhona kubantu abama-fans lawo nesisi bemdefend and stuff. So nami ngomunye umuntu oyifan enkulu ne-STC, so nje yeah, I think usizo laphana wavela wakhuluma into ebheke eceleni, but siyamazi-ke na ku-Twitter kuhlezi ebhekele sithi siyale eyale. Yeah, anyway speaker nawe bafethu sekhona ku-Twitter, sispeaker nawe, naku-Facebook sispeaker nawe. Awe, we out.